Let me show y'all how to use a sizing kit. Let's turn it around. You'll see the press on nails number 0 through 9. We're going to start with 0. You see how big that is? That does not fit my little hand. I'm normally a size small. I normally skip 0 and 1, but 2 normally fits me on a regular. The number 2 is the average preset thumb size for small. When sizing your nails, you want to make sure the nail is not going over your nails or pinching your nails. You want to make sure it slides on just right. So then I go to a size 3. Y'all know a size 3 actually fitted me instead of a 2. My hand size has gotten smaller. The number 4 is an average preset size middle finger of small and medium, and for index, large. The number 5 is an average size for the index finger, small and medium. Number 5 is also the average middle finger for extra small and the average ring finger for large. Number 6 is the average ring finger for small and medium. It also is the average index finger for extra small. So I end up not being able to fit a 6 and went into a size 7. 6 was just a smidge too big. Check it out. You see how on 7 there's nothing showing on the outside, and it's not pinching either. It feels great. So I know that my pinkies are really small. So a size 8, that's not for me. A size 8 is an average medium, and a size 9 is for average small and extra small. So now I'm an extra small. Here's a coupon code. Insert these numbers into the special instructions. Attached here is the average nail size and how to measure. Ready-to-go nails are based on preset sizes. Preset sizes are based on the average hand sizes. I hope this helps. See you later.